Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role of General Duty Assistant textbook for class 11th. In this video, we will learn about personal hygiene practices covered in session 4 of unit 1 in the textbook. This session deals with hand washing steps and personal grooming practices to be followed by General Duty Assistant. Now, let us first understand about personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is an act of maintaining cleanliness and grooming of the external body. Good personal practices includes bathing, washing hand, brushing teeth, wearing clean attire. Additionally, it is also about making safe and hygienic decisions when we are around other people at hospital or any other place. Do you know the importance of personal hygiene in healthcare sector? See, microorganisms like bacteria and viruses spread easily in healthcare institutions due to physical contact between medical professional, patient and visitors. In hospital, maintaining a good personal hygiene significantly reduces the risk of cross-contamination and transmission of contagious infection from one patient to another or to ourselves. Hands are the main pathway of germ transmission during healthcare. Patients are more vulnerable to infection from germs carried on their hands or other hospital people. Therefore, good and effective hand hygiene is one of the most important steps to avoid the transmission of harmful germs and in prevention of healthcare associated infection. All healthcare staff should wash hands with soap and alcohol gel before and after direct patient contact, attending to the toilet needs of the patient, after medical procedure, wearing and removing gloves. Medical hand washing is ideally done for a minimum of 15 seconds using soap, water or gel to lather and rub each part of the hands. Now, let us practice the steps used for hand washing. After applying soap or gel to wet hand, the 7 steps of hand washing according to medical sciences are: step 1, rub hand palm to palm; step 2, rub right palm over left dorsum with interlaced finger and vice versa; step 3, rub palm to palm with finger interlaced; step 4, rub back of the finger to opposite palm with finger interlaced; step 5, rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. Step 6, rub rationally in backward and forward direction in left palm and vice versa. Step 7, rinse hand with water and dry it thoroughly with towel. Always remember to use tissue or towel for turning off faucet of the tap water. After hand washing, we will learn about personal grooming practices. Personal grooming involves maintaining a pleasing and attractive appearance for developing a positive self-image. Grooming indicates readiness of a patient for work. Neat and clean appearance, dressing and their hairstyle is very important in grooming. Personality grooming can be done by focusing on basic grooming, basic dressing and basic appearance. Some of the basic appearance grooming tips are: take care of skin by having balanced diet and active lifestyle. Maintain your physique by involving in enjoyable activities like rock climbing, kickboxing and dancing. Brush your teeth twice daily and wash your hair regularly. Always keep your hair looking good and trimmed. Hair is to be too short for male and for female it should be neatly pulled back and secured. Avoid beards and patchy sides on face. Keeping fingernails and toenail trim and clean. Pay attention to your ears and nose clean. Ensure glass frame appropriate to the situation. Wear deodorant but avoid use of strong perfume or fragrance. Wear identity card and clean uniform. Communicate with clarity and confident. The voice should not be too loud or too soft. Always maintain appropriate posture. One should sit and stand upright and always have a smile on their faces. For grooming of basic dressing, remember that clothes should be clean, well maintained and pressed. Wear shirts that are properly fitting. Do not repeat same outfit for 2 days or more in a row. Avoid wearing faded, wrinkled, dirtied or stained clothes. Jewelry should be kept simple and to a minimum. White socks with dark shoots and vice versa can be better avoided. Wear clean, polished professional shoes. An identification badge should be worn all the time at workplace. Let us now summarize this session. We have learned about personal hygiene practices, its important steps of hand washing according to medical sciences, personal grooming practices that entails basic appearance and basic dressing grooming to be followed by general duty assistant. So, self grooming is a process of constantly working to make ourselves better. So, be well groomed. That's all in this video, and in next video we will cover session 1 of unit 2. Till then, enjoy learning.